What's up YouTube, it's your boy Just Plays Kickspot back with another video, and today we have another video that I've done. I think I've done this video like twice in the past, but this is going to be an updated version because I know that many people will be trying to find a good sauce to ice their shoes with, and so hopefully this brand that I got, I've seen good results on their Instagram, so hopefully it can show me good results here on the channel. I can bring it to y'all. So I'm going to get two shoes that I'm going to try, and they both have like different types of yellowing, like one's darker than the other, but we're gonna see, and we're gonna see how well this product really works. So let's go. Alright, so one of the shoes we're gonna be working on is a pair of Air Jordan 1 lasers with the icy bottoms that are they're like a little bit yellow. And then the real test is gonna be these, the Chrome Low 6s with the orange, yellow, dirty, just nasty yellow bottom. So this is gonna be the real test to really see how well this soul sauce works. Because if I find a good soul sauce, that means that if this is good, then yeah, I'm gonna start getting some more of this. Cause the results I've seen on Instagram, it's taken a soul like this and made it look like it's DS, brand new out of the box type icy. So hopefully we get the same type of results. I'm gonna read, they got the little directions back here. I don't have their cleaner, but I'm gonna use my Rejuvenator cleaner because, you know, we just use Rejuvenator around here. But I'm gonna try that, so let's get into it. Alright, now that we have gone and cleaned both of the shoes, we're gonna take it, directions say just apply it on the sole, just how we regularly put on soul sauce. So let's go ahead and do that. And you know we're gonna need our saran wrap because that's what you need, so let's go. So this is what it looks like after the first session. And also the sun kind of went away because the cloud, like it got real cloudy when I went outside to check on it. So I wasn't expecting to see too much because it had got cloudy. So I don't think the full hour that it was in the sun, it got like the full sun. That's why I need to find, or not need to find, but I'm waiting on my indoor lights to come in so I can do the indoor setup. But there are some spots that I see that have gotten lighter. But the real test to see if the first session did a little bit of work is on these. So let me take these off, wipe them down, and I'll come back. Alright, so this one, like I said, I wasn't expecting too much like crazy results off the first session off of these, just because how dark they were and the sun wasn't out fully. So tomorrow morning when I go and do this more often, I'm gonna do probably the next sessions tomorrow morning because it's getting kind of late and the sun isn't really up right now. But here this is what they look like. Now there's are some spots like around here, like around the edges and up here a little bit where it has lightened up, but nothing too substantial just yet. So here's what they look like. The ones definitely you can see they got a little bit brighter. There's just that one, like that glow in the middle down here. But as you can see, it's definitely working just a little bit. So I'm definitely looking forward to these next couple sessions tomorrow. So I'm gonna come back to y'all tomorrow and I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna finish doing the sessions, and hopefully, you know, the results come out strong, especially on these. So hopefully the results, I like them. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Alright y'all, so we're back and I'm actually a little stuck. I'm not stuck, but like I've been taking a little bit. So I'm gonna show y'all this shoe. This is where we pretty much started. This is the other shoe that I haven't iced out yet. I haven't done anything to. Now this is after 3 sessions to date, from 1 session yesterday and 2 this morning. So as you can see, it's definitely lighter on this side, but every time I do it, it works. It's really slow. It's been really slow, but it's definitely working just a little bit. I can definitely see some of the results, but like up in here, it hasn't really it's lightened up a tiny bit, and back here a tiny bit. So I'm thinking maybe 2 more sessions and we should see like that final result that I want to see. But alright YouTube, so we're back and it's now the end. It's pretty much the end of the day. Sun's starting to go down. Sun's not, it's pretty much going down now. So final verdict on Fabe Soul Sauce right here. Let's get to the results. So on the Jordan 1s, now the Jordan 1s definitely perform better than the 6s in my opinion, just because this is the results. So I'm gonna show this. So this is the before. This is what they was looking like before. And I'll probably take pictures just so you can see them. Like, I'll probably take a picture just so you can see them better. So that's the before, and here's the after. And as you can see, it has definitely cleared it up. But for some reason, this like middle section right up here just would not, like, it just wouldn't unyellow. I don't know what was going on, but it has definitely gotten clear. Let me show you a little side by side. So yeah, you can definitely see they have gotten way clear, except that one part up top. I don't know what's going on with that. But so here are the Jordan 1s, and I'm gonna show you guys the 6s. So this is the before, what they was all looking like before. As you can see, this is the messed up part down here. And then here they go right here. Now, don't get me wrong, they definitely have cleared up. Now I'm gonna bring the other shoe in. They've cleared up a little bit, but it wasn't, I don't know, it just wasn't the results I expected. Because on the Instagram, I seen them go from pretty much orange to brand new blue. So that's what I was expecting. I don't know if they're doing how many sessions they did or what, but I left these out there pretty much all day today. I did a couple sessions today, and I did 3 instead of 2. I said I was gonna do 2 more. I did 3 more, but the ones definitely performed better in this. But Fabe Soul Sauce, the review, I'll give it a I'm gonna say a 7 out of 10. That's just a 7 out of 10 just because I had way more expectations on the Jordan 6s, just because they were more yellow and I wanted to see how strong it would do. But I don't know, we may do another test later on Fave Soul Sauce versus, we may do like, I may get a couple different brands of soul sauce and see who has the best soul sauce. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.